Hi everybody, and welcome to She Shaves with your host Jill. Yep, I'm Jill. So I'm going to have to make this short because I'm very short-winded. Still not up to par. So this is going to be a test on the Soap Commander. I'm on the scent crew, and today I'm going to be using the orange tester, and that's got bergamot, orange, oakmoss, coriander, ginger, and pepper. And I already started my lather, and I'm using the same brush for all of them, my DSCosmetics. And I have one more tester after this. Whew, short-winded. Okay, the razor I'm going to use is from Global Shave, and this is his R41 Plus. Take a wild guess. It's his take on an R41. It's got a nice long handle. It's not all that heavy. I mean, it's okay. It's a 3-piece razor, and I'm going to be using a Rapira blade. First use on this blade. And this is going to be a cold water shave. I'm not going to be doing a lot of jibber jabbering. Look at that lather. Oh, does that smell good? Me like. I really like this. Wow. That bergamot gives it a nice sweet smell. And then the orange starts taking over and adds with the spices. So it's like a orange spice bomb. Very pleasant. I didn't know how I was going to feel about this one. Okay. Well, first pass with the Global Shave Club R41 Plus with a Rapira blade in it. I only used the Rapira because it came with a tuck of them. I figured I'd use what he included. It's not my first time using it, but sorry, I was looking at the head. Okay, That's the first pass. Rinse. Yeah, I really like that scent. It's very pleasant. Got the ginger and pepper as the spice, and coriander, and oak moss, the orange and bergamot. Very pleasant. I like. Okay, let's do another pass. Now, comparing it to the other tester I did, gray, I don't know which one I would choose between the two of them. You know, they're two total different ends of the spectrum as far as scents. This is really refreshing. Okay. Okay, sorry about that. South to north. Well, I should have warned you ahead of time. My tongue is bluish green because I ate some of those sour ribbon candies again before shaving. So, although I am sick, that's not part of it. I don't find it as efficient as the R41, and his razors always have kind of a rough feel to them, like they need more work. And I hope that's not the case when I get my, what he was calling Fat Guy, which is his take on the Fat Boy. It was a funding process, and it wasn't cheap. So most of the razors I've got from him, the finishing is not done. So for the amount that I paid for that funding project, it better be totally finished. I don't want no trial razor. Okay, let's rinse this off. Okay, let's pat that dry. That's a very pleasant scent. I really do like that. So that was in the orange tester for Soap Commander Scent Crew. And I like it. So my next one will be the final one, and then I'll be doing my vote, and then you guys will be getting results. So thanks for tuning in. I'm out of breath. You know I love you guys, right? Right. Bye-bye.